Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about custom fields. Custom fields in Expiration Reminder allows you to track extra information in the system that we currently don't have a field that you can put that information. You can track custom fields by clicking on settings, clicking on customize, and then clicking on custom fields. You can add custom fields for expirations, contacts, companies, locations, vehicles. To create a custom field, click on add custom field, and you can select different type of custom fields. Text, it's gonna be a text field. Number field, single option, it's gonna be a drop down. Multiple options, it's a drop down, but you can select multiple options. Date fields, contact fields, multi-line, currency fields, link, and address. So you have all of these options. You can pick one, enter the name of the field here, and check if it is required or not. Very simple. To do a custom fields right now, you can see that I have 8 custom fields for the expiration item. I'm tracking the address, the date that exam was taken, license fee, license number. So different type of custom field. This one is a choice, so that's a drop down of state here. Here I can have all the list of states. What's gonna happen? This is for expiration, right? If I go here to my expirations and I click on add a new expiration, you can see here that I have a list of custom fields and I have all the fields that I want to track in there, and they're gonna show up so I can capture that information. And the nice thing about custom fields too is that they are available as columns. So once you create those custom fields, you can add them as columns here for your list. And also they are available to be filters. They show up here as filters, and then you can select and do a filter by those custom fields. Very powerful feature, custom fields. It's available all over the application. You can even use custom fields in the email templates. So if I go here, click on settings, and I go to templates here, email templates, and let's say I want to customize email template here. If I insert a field, custom fields will also be available here as fields to insert. There you go. Here are all my custom fields. So they're all available there. But you can also include it in email. So very powerful feature. Use it because that way you can make Expiration Reminder your own application. Thank you again, and remember to subscribe to keep getting more videos like this.